One of the biggest struggles mums and dads face when trying to get healthier and fitter is where to start. It's not that we don't want to lose our belly or improve our cholesterol or tone our arms and legs. It's just that we don't know where to start. And when we get confused, we end up doing nothing at all. So today, I want to keep it simple and easy for you and teach you just one thing. The single most important thing everybody should be doing as the first step if they want to get fitter, healthier, or better body shape. And to make it easier, I've included a free PDF tracker in the description below so that you can do the most important step in the comfort of your own home. So what is the most important step? Well, imagine you're the captain of a ship that needs to sail from point A to point B. The first thing you would do is not just start sailing and hope that you're going in the right direction at the right speed and hope for the best when you get stranded at sea. Rather, you should analyze the distance to the destination, make sure you have the right boat to do the job, and calculate how long the journey will take so that along the way you know you are on track and don't get discouraged over the days, weeks, and months out at sea. This is just the same for your health, fitness, and fat loss journey. Too many people rush onto the wrong ship. They don't have a realistic plan how they'll get to their destination. And then what happens is that halfway out at sea, they get stressed, discouraged, and then they quit because they don't know where they're going, just floating aimlessly at sea. So the most important first step for anyone looking to get healthier, fitter, and a better body shape is actually to properly measure and understand your body and health statistics before you start. So that number one, you know what type of eating plan, exercise, and nutrition supplements will be suitable for your current health, fitness, and body shape. And number two, so you can calculate, just like the captain of a ship, what are realistic weekly and monthly progress milestones so that you know when you're on track and get extra motivated when you see your progress on track, or conversely, you won't get discouraged when you don't see results early, because to be honest, everybody's body reacts differently initially and you need to be patient. For example, my results only start to show around the halfway 45-day mark, but I was confident in my calculations, so I kept the faith and trusted the process. Generally, I recommend that 90 days is the maximum length of any program, because any longer than that, the captain can get demotivated or bored or lose momentum, which I guess is human nature. So I always stick to around 90 days as a realistic time frame, especially for busy mums and dads. If you're interested to learn more about my story of how I've transformed my health and fitness in 90 days, feel free to check out my other video here or check out my free masterclass in the description below. So now that you understand the importance of tracking your body health and stats at the outset, let me show you how to measure and track your body stats using the free PDF tracker I mentioned earlier. The Body and Health Stats Tracker helps you to measure the most important statistics regarding your health, fitness, and body shape, and I've included recommended ranges for male and female so you can see if you're within the range or need to improve in certain areas. What I love about this tracker, which I use for myself and all my students, is that it not only shows you the state of your body shape and fitness externally with measures like body fat and muscle percentages, but more importantly, it helps you to track your health and well-being internally with stats like visceral fat, body age, and your antioxidant levels, which I would say is even more important to me, especially as a father, because without health, a good body shape and fitness is nothing. So once you know your body and health stats, you can do two things. Number one, accurately and realistically formulate a plan of action for your eating plan, exercise, and suitable nutrition supplements, because you know where your strengths and weaknesses are now, i.e. where your areas of improvement are, and whether that's increasing your muscle or reducing visceral fat or lowering your body age. And secondly, perhaps even more importantly, you can realistically plan your weekly and monthly milestones, which will guide you through and keep you motivated through the 90 days without the stress and uncertainty of not knowing what to focus on or if you're on track. So I really hope this video and my PDF tracker is helpful to guide you on where to start your health and fitness journey, especially for mums and dads who I know are super busy every day. I realize this is a big topic and I wanted to keep this video short and concise. So in case you have any questions about anything today or want some guidance on your body and health statistics, feel free to reach out to me with the links in the description. I'll try my best to help answer all your questions as best as I can. As I always say, I believe that being a parent really doesn't mean we can't prioritize our health, our fitness, and our looks. Indeed, our main priority in life should be to let our kids see the best version of us, because in the end, it all starts with us. I hope you found this video helpful. Grab that PDF tracker and start using it, and I'll see you in the next video.